Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to autosave your desktop to OneDrive in Windows. Without any further ado, let's get started. Start by navigating to the bottom right part of your screen where your system tray is located. From here you'll see the OneDrive icon. Go ahead and click on it and a small OneDrive window will slide up from the taskbar. This is your quick access panel for managing OneDrive settings and syncing options. Now to set up automatic desktop saving to OneDrive, look at the top right part of your OneDrive window and click on the gear icon. This will open up your settings menu. A small context menu will appear with several options. From this list, click on Settings and a Microsoft OneDrive settings window will open up. This is where you'll configure all your backup and sync preferences. From this window, start by navigating to the left-hand menu. You'll see various categories listed here. Click on Sync and Backup to access the folder protection features. Within the Sync and Backup settings, you'll see a button labeled Manage Backup. Click on it and this will let you select which folders or files you want to automatically save to your OneDrive cloud storage. This feature is incredibly useful because it ensures your important files are always backed up and accessible from any device. Now, from the list of folders that appears, locate the desktop folder. You'll see a toggle button next to it. Click on this toggle button to enable it. This action enables your desktop files to be automatically saved to your OneDrive storage, meaning everything you save to your desktop will now be backed up in real time to the cloud. Once you've enabled the desktop folder, click on Save Changes to apply your new settings, and that's it. Your desktop is now set to automatically save to OneDrive, giving you peace of mind that your files are backed up and synced across all your devices. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.